Here's a Mopar to check out. Unique, especially in classics. 1975 Plymouth Duster, two-door hardtop. This particular car, 318 underneath the hood. There's some pictures in with the information as far as receipts and what have you on this of the stamped VIN on the engine. So it appears that it is in numbers matching, 318. Also in with the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the fender tag, the build sheets. There's also a breakdown of the fender tag in there, and that's in the still pictures. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside of this car, engine bay, inside and out, top to bottom. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the front chrome bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Now, as far as the paint, there has been a little checking up here in the top of the fender. Just wanted to give you the heads up on that. This is an original green car, deep Sherwood metallic. Also nicely equipped AC. AC will freeze you out of the interior of this car. So the AC does blow cold. I believe it was power steering and power brakes. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run here in just a bit. Riding on Keystone Classics. Let's go ahead and take a peek up and down passenger side of this car. Of course, the Duster emblem in the back. And according to the fender tag and the breakdown of it, this was a Plymouth Valiant Duster. Two-door sports hardtop. Now has white vinyl bucket seats, center console, B&M shifter, little aftermarket stereo added there that is in working order. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper and the condition. Flat black wing, dual exhaust. And you'll be able to see the exhaust on the underside. Check out the floor pans, trunk, engine bay. In the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So take a look down the driver's side. So a few imperfection areas there kind of showed with the paint, or maybe some touch up, a little bit of checking. But overall, it's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have a little fun. All right, let's take a peek at this interior. Again, white vinyl buckets. Been added up front. Kind of got the white and green combination. And then a center console was added also. A little more comfortable driving. There's that B&M shifter. Little aftermarket tack down here. And there's your AC controls. And again, AC does work. There's a Kenwood stereo that was added, and that is working. Some aftermarket gauges. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. And there are receipts. It appears the engine tranny was all rebuilt. There's a folder full of receipts, along with a lot of other information too. We tried to take a picture of some of the build sheet, fender tag breakdown, put that in the still picture, so check that out. And that aftermarket Mopar tack is working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Nice shape. Working stereo. Let this warm up just a tad. Alright. Nice sounding car. A little cam to it. Your headliner, all intact. Slip around in the back. Alright, get an idea how it sounds. Let's open this hood up with those scoops on it. Check out what it looks like underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that engine bay, 318 again. Power steering, power brakes. AC, and like I said, AC will keep you cool in this one. Has been converted from the R12. Nice tidy engine bay. Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Good one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows. Have a little fun driving this one. Nicely equipped, good sounding car. 1975 Plymouth Valiant Duster, 2-door sports hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in right now.